SM Mega Mall. So you are a guest of Direct
Jerry Sineneng.
Alright,
Yeah.
so you're also in his series.
Yeah, House of Lies. Magkakasama kami dyan sa House of Lies. Of course, we're here to support Direct Jerry Sineneng, and si Carlo and Bella rin naman naka-work ko na before.
Oh, you worked with them before. GMA, I see. So was it like a romance drama ulit, or the project that you did with them?
Of course, it's a teleserye. It's about lying to your partner, or trying to hide something from your partner from your special someone.
Got it. Okay, so kakaibang Bella at Carlo. Pain, same sakit ang mararamdaman. Yeah. So what do you expect to see? And please invite everybody to support the film when it comes out.
Hi everyone, please panoorin niyo po this Wednesday na po, A Special Memory. Siyempre kasama natin dyan si Carlo Aquino, si Bella Padilla, and siyempre directed by Direct Jerry Sineneng.
Maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin si Mike
Thank you.
Tan, and please stay. Inaasahan na guests supporting all of our cast, supporting our director. And itong mga susunod natin na artists who will be walking down the red carpet, I'm sure you will be so excited. Hello, Miss Jackie Serlito. Wow. Such an honor to have you here sa aming special night dito sa SM Mega Mall. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, please say hi.
Gabi ho sa inyo lahat. It's a special night. Panoorin po ninyo.
Ay, magandang gabi po. We are so happy to be here. Kami po ng seryeng House of Lies, which is also directed by Direct Jerry. So full support kami for his movie, The Special.
So I'm sure you're familiar with Direct Jerry's work. So ano po ba ang inaasahan ninyong mapanood ngayong gabi? What kind of feels do you expect? Or...
Wow, nako. Ang feeling ko, tall hits, talagang iiyak tayo ng oo, iiyak tayo. And from the works of Direct Jerry, he's such a good storyteller. So I'm sure maaantig lahat ng mga damdamin natin. And with, of course, great performances. Lahat ng, kumbaga, kumpleto ang mga Ricardo Tolits, as they say.
Lahat ng artista. So, ang expectation namin dito, isang magandang pelikula, lalong-lalo na kay si Direct Jerry ang nag-direct. And iyakan siguro to.
Tama po. Thank you so much. Anyaya.
Naku, please, March 11 Special Memory. I think this is a movie that you should not fail to watch. I'm sure it's going to have great performances, wonderful direction, at talagang uuwi kayo na maraming baon na saya, lungkot, and at the same time, mga lessons, no? Na pwedeng ibahagi.
March 11 po, special memory. Huwag niyo pong kalilimutan. At
Maraming salamat po. And up next is an award-winning actor. And we're all excited to see, of course, we have Martin Del Rosario. Siyempre, maraming salamat to our partner for today, ang SM Megwa and SM Rizal, our special night here. At muli po, ang MTRCB rating nito ay PG, rated PG, para lahat po ay pwedeng manood. Hello, Martin. So great to have
Yes, excited na ako mapanood yung movie. Of course, nandito ako para suporta ng mahal namin director sa House of Lies, si Direct Jerry Sineneng. And excited na rin ako makita yung mga performances ng mga actors, especially the leads, Carlo Aquino and Bella Padilla. Napakahusay ng mga actors. And nakalimutan ko magdala.
At tayo
Baka
dyan.
tulog, sipon ako
Meron ba may tissue para kay Martin? Meron ba may dalang tissue? Uy, pagkakataon nyo na to. Hawakan si Martin. Oo, ano, saan? Wala.
Wala.
Sorry. Next time, Martin. Okay, so buti wala kayong taping, no? Kasi full force kayo here, eh.
Yes, tomorrow pa yung taping.
Okay, thank you so much. Please invite everybody to watch A Special Memory.
Ayun po, inibitahan ko po kayo lahat na panoorin at suportahan ang Special Memory. Hindi ko pa napapanood but mula kay Direk, magandang pelikula ito and kung gusto yung maiyak, maapektuhan, ito pong perfect movie pang pamilya, sama niyo mga friends niyo. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. At may nag-aabot na ng tissue
Ayun pala.
para sa'yo, Martin.
Ay, salamat po. Ayan, babaunin ko to mamaya.
Kaso ano, kitchen towel.
Ayan,
Huwag na lang
salamat.
masyadong malakas yung pagpo. Maraming salamat po,
Thank you.
Okay, Martin Del Rosario, everybody, thank you so much. Please stay center stage for your photo. At muli, I do see a lot of our friendly faces here from the press. Thank you so much for being creators, influencers. Salamat po. Alright, thank you, Martin. Maraming salamat po. Okay, uulitin ko sa mga nakikita kong mga nakataas ang phone, mga may picture at video dyan. Gamitin...
Chris Bernal walking down the red carpet right now. Let's have her go over here.
Sabi Alison pala yun, no? Ay, ito pala.
Muli pa sa lahat ng mga kumukuha ng artista. Of course, right now we have Chris Bernal on the red carpet, who we are about to talk to and welcome on stage in just a little bit.
Paano yung ganyan? Paano yung
Alright,
ganyan?
welcome her now. Hello.
Ayan, ang dami-dami. Nice mistress kami. Yes.
Very, very gorgeous lady.
Pero meron palang ganito, nagulat naman ako.
Hello, nako, ang daming excited na nandito.
Nakakamiss naman ang mga fans na nakaabang, mga supporters. Kanina pa silang tanghali, di ba?
Okay, na madaling
Nakakatuwa
araw.
sila.
Okay, so exciting to have you here.
Yes. Of course, directed by Direk Jerry. Siya ang director rin namin sa House of Lies.
I see.
Kaya naman nandito tayo. And of course, kasi si Bella is a good friend of mine. I had a chance to work with her in several teleseries in GMA. Ang dami na namin ginawa ni Bella, kaya nandito rin ako to support Bella.
Alright, we're
Yes,
so
I love Bella. And of course, Carlo Aquino, napakagaling na aktor. Excited na ako.
Oo nga, ramdam ko.
May tissue ako dito sa bag ko in case na maiyak ako.
Very good. Lucky to have you here tonight, ano? So,
Thank you.
yeah, so please do share with everybody bakit kailangan panoorin ang Special Memory.
Well, syempre, aside from the great actors, alam naman natin ang combination ni Bella at saka ni Carlo Aquino, kailangan talagang abangan. Ang ganda din ng kwento. Isa siyang kakaibang tragedy love story na talagang tear-jerking, mapapaiyak talaga kayo. At least hindi na to tungkol sa mga agawan, tungkol sa mga kabet, ganyan, na lagi nating napapanood. Ito naman kakaiba naman, papaiyakin naman tayo. Afternoon soap actress ka, sanay ka sa mga ganang kwento, pero ito kakaiba talaga.
Yes, thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you! Gusto ko lang batiin yung mga fans na nagabang talaga dyan, kasi kanina pa sila. sipag nila, oh, nakatuwa sila.
Oo nga. Okay, thank you so much, Chris
Thank you, guys.
Bernal.
Salamat. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. Please do stay here on stage for your photo. You may pass the mic here. Okay. Okay, maraming salamat po. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a part of the cast is about to come down the red carpet. Please welcome Lawrence de la Cruz.
Dilat sa umaga, ikaw agad ang unang nakikita.
Avila.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for supporting my friend.
Okay, so Aleka, excited ka na ba as part of the cast? Are you excited to see the film?
So excited to see my film.
Yan, ano ba yung briefly, what your character?
Well, little surprise. This is my first kissing scene.
Ooh! Okay,
Let's
abangan
wait for that.
Please invite everybody to watch it. Bakit kailangan panoorin ang Special Memory?
Guys, I invite you all to watch Special Memories. Definitely, it will be a special memory for all of us.
Exactly. Audrey! Invite ka naman.
Happy memory, no? Ayan. Ay, special.
Special Memory.
Special memory. Ayan.
Maraming salamat. Okay, meron kang group photos sa baba lang po, so you may descend the stage that way. Was it because of the film or hindi naman? Akala ko for the film. Hi, please say hello. Hi guys.
Hi everyone, thanks for being here and supporting this film.
Yan, bati. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, ako po si Dana Pauline.
And thank you for supporting a special memory.
Alright, at ngayon, naririnig po natin, we are now playing your song, right? Called Tahimik na Buhay Kapiling Ka. Okay, so this is also part of the OST ng A Special Memory. Ikaw ba nagsulat?
Yes, ako nagsulat.
Bakit mo naman nasulat? Ilan?
27.
You're 27?
Yeah.
Kala ko mga 17.
Ako,
Tinan mo
grabe
yung
naman.
baby face. Diba? So how was it being a part of the OST?
You know, anytime na our songs get to be picked to be part of these kinds of films, sobrang laki niyang sobrang laking honor kasi it helps, the director really thought na it helps tell the story. And, you know, songwriting is all about storytelling. So, it's really an honor para yung mga tanyag nating mga director ay nakapili ng mga kanta natin.
Oo nga, totoo yun. At dagdag bayad kapag
Yes, definitely.
kapag napili ang song sa movie. Oh,
And Bella Padilla on March 11, 2026. Thank you.
thank you! Thank you so much. Okay, photo muna tayo. Okay, please stay center stage for your photos. All right.
Kailangan natin maging masaya, kailangan natin makaramdam. So it's nice to watch a movie with your loved one, your family. And iba pa rin yung pag nanonood kayo sa cinemas. Kasi nararamdaman nyo yung isa't isa sa loob eh. Biglang may umiiyak, o biglang na may tumatawa. Iba yung experience pag nanonood kayo sa loob ng sinehan. At iba din yung experience sa bahay. Pero syempre, pipiliin ko pa rin yung sa sinehan. Kaya sana po, supportahan natin lahat. At maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta ngayon. Hi.
Okay na yan. All right.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Okay, so please, you'll have your group photo po at the side of the stage. You may descend down. Ikaw, mas maganda.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Up next, part of the cast once again. Cast ngayong gabi. At muli po, ang pelikulang ito ay rated PG by the MTRCB. Kaya kahit sino pwede